Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your profile picture on Plex. If you're looking for a way to change your profile image on your Plex account, then here is how you can easily do it. Open your Plex application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're in the main homepage of Plex, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. Now, tap on your profile picture at the top left-hand corner and tap on Edit Profile. Right under your name initial, you'll be able to see the Change Profile Image button. Tap on it and then you have two options. You can choose an existing photo of yourself from your library by choosing the first option. If you want to take a picture or a selfie right away from your camera, tap on Take Photo. I'm gonna choose an existing picture, so let me tap on Choose from Library. It'll then take you to your camera roll. Go ahead and select the picture you'd like to upload as your profile image. And soon after you are done, tap on Save. Right after you do that, you'll be able to change your profile picture on Plex account. So that's how you can easily change your profile picture on Plex. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.